Hi, I'm Marion Stobie, Naturopath and Medical Herbalist. The Naturopaths and Medical Herbalists at Holden Healthcare are highly experienced in interviewing techniques with clients and in assessing physical examinations. Sometimes our clients need something a little bit more. If you can bring your any recent imaging with you to your appointment, such as X-rays, CT scans, PET scans, MRIs, and also your most recent blood test results, that can be very helpful for us to take into account when we're taking your case. Sometimes there is an elusive X factor when we see a client, something that's been bothering them for some time, and the reasons for their health problem has not been clear, and sometimes their medical team has also not been able to put their finger on what the problem is with you. So in these cases, we often highly recommend having a biofeedback scan done in your consultation. This will help us get a fuller picture. It's a very comprehensive testing procedure which covers a multitude of different things that may be at play with your health. For instance, there may be some allergy testing indicated. So allergy testing in other avenues can be quite expensive. Also, hormonal testing may be quite expensive as well. And using the biofeedback system, we do get a particular picture for your own personal food sensitivity profile and your hormone profile where necessary. Many of my clients find the biofeedback test that I do very illuminating, and it shows them more than they thought imaginable. I use the SCIO system, a biofeedback system which is widely used in Europe, and it's used not only among naturopaths but also among medical doctors as well. This works on an electromagnetic basis, on the premise that everything has a frequency, the same way that light waves and sound waves have frequencies. After having asked 20 lifestyle type questions, which need to be answered with numbers since the system is a computer, then a headband and 2 wristbands and 2 ankle bands are fitted to the client. The frequencies are transmitted along these wires to the client, and it's the client's reaction to exposure to those frequencies that are transmitted back to the computer. And also, it's transmitted in number form. Generally, the higher the number, the more significant that particular thing is to the client. In this way, we can determine whether and how much the client is affected by those frequencies. So we can see if a client is sensitive to milk or tomatoes, for example, and how much. We can see how well a client's cells are making energy. Let me be clear, this is not a diagnostic system, but an assessment tool which assesses how different things stress the body. While the testing is being done, I write a user-friendly, clear report on the findings, and the findings have an influence on the recommendations. The recommendations are also provided at the end of the session, and they may include diet and lifestyle advice, supplements, and a herbal therapy program. You get a hard copy report to take away with you at the end of our session, as well as all the recommendations that are added to the end. I look forward to seeing you in clinic and seeing how the biofeedback system can help guide you to your best health outcomes.